Today we're gonna make cookies. I'm making cookies because today it's my sister's birthday. Ready, put a butter in a bowl. Now we're gonna add vanilla essence, milk, and now we need to mix. Now we need to add brown sugar, 1 pinch of baking soda, 1 pinch of salt, and then we mix again. Now we're going to add all-purpose flour and mix. Now we're going to add some chocolate chips and mix it with our hands. Now we're going to flatten the dough. We're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. If it's not cooked, we'll put more seconds with it. Now we took the cookie out from the microwave. The cookie is ready. We just took it out from the microwave. Let's let it cool down, and now it's ready. Let's eat it.